everyone, I am going to explain you very simply the process of spermatogenesis, gametogenesis. Is of two types in the human beings. Chapter number 3, the human reproduction. So here gametogenesis is of two types. Try to understand: spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Formation of a spermatozoa, that is the sperm, by the reduction division is secondary spermatocyte, is known as spermatogenesis. Okay, while the formation of ovum, follicle or ovum from the inside the ovary, okay, so that is called oogenesis. Oogenesis means formation of female gametes, and spermatogenesis is the process of formation of male gametes, that is a spermatozoa. So very simply you try to understand, during puberty what happens? Then there are so many spermatogonia. Spermatogonia cell in the seminiferous tubules. Sectional view, you can see that there are many spermatogonia which, as Sertoli cells also, which nourishes them. Now this spermatogonia, some of the spermatogonia become special and behaves like primary spermatocyte. This primary spermatocyte undergoes reduction division. Here meiosis takes place and they form secondary spermatocytes. In turn, secondary spermatocyte converts into a spermatozoa. So in seminiferous tubules, inside the testis, there are 200 to 300 testicular lobules, and each lobules has 3 to 4 chambers of seminiferous tubules in which the spermatogenesis is taking place. Now try to understand again. During puberty what happened? Spermatogonia, I have already told you. Spermatogonia in seminiferous tubules, they multiply by the mitotic division in many cells, adds many cells. That is called primary spermatocyte. Some of the primary spermatocyte undergoes reduction division to form 4 haploid secondary spermatocyte. Okay, primary spermatocyte undergoes reduction division to form secondary spermatocyte. In turn, this secondary spermatocyte undergoes spermiogenesis to form a spermatozoa. So in this way, the process of formation of secondary spermatozoa from the secondary spermatocyte is known as spermiogenesis, and the release of a spermatozoa from the seminiferous tubules into the testis and then further is known as spermiation. So make it clear that what is the process of spermiogenesis and spermiation. Okay, so I think it is clear that in primary spermatocyte reduction division taking place to form secondary spermatocyte, and from secondary spermatocyte the spermatozoa are formed. Okay, now what happens in hormone, how it is regulated by hormones. So during puberty, the gonadotropic releasing hormone in hypothalamus, okay, gland secretes, which in turn activate the anterior pituitary to release gonadotropins, which are luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Many times in medical the question has asked, what are the function of these two? Luteinizing hormones activate the Leydig cells to produce androgens, and androgen brings about secondary and primary sexual character during the puberty, and follicle stimulating hormone stimulates Sertoli cell to release the factors. These factors help in spermiogenesis. That is that process. Okay, so in this way easily you can understand. Now here you can see the sectional view of human mammary gland. Okay, female mammary gland. How the mothers the milk is formed, and what the mammary gland present in both male and female, but in female it becomes active and secretes milk. In male it remains dormant. So these are the this one is the rib one. Rib associated with rib, there are many fat storing cells, and these fat storing cells having mammary lobules many lobules, and at the tip, like the alveoli in the lungs, they are also mammary alveolus. They are called mammary alveolus. This is the site where milk is produced. Now the milk is produced through fatty cells here in the mammary alveolus chamber, and they are drains into second time the mammary duct. Through mammary duct it enters into the ampulla, another wider tubes which collect the milk. So first of all the milk is produced in mammary alveolus, which then drains into the mammary duct, then drains into the ampulla. Ampulla bring into lactiferous ducts, which finally joins at the nipple where the baby suckles the milk. So in this way, the mammary gland, the sectional view of mammary gland, sometimes the question asks, you can easily write, as well as the spermatogenesis. Oogenesis I will later on discuss. Okay, thank you.